Well, I think I may have solved our problem with this brake metal not being magnetic. Keep watching to see if I actually did. Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411
with Robbie and Adrian.
If you watched last week's video, you know we had such a great idea putting these really cool looking pieces of brake metal on the door, which means you also experienced our disappointment along with us when we figured out they were not magnetic. So I did what any good red-blooded American would do, went to Amazon. We're going to try to use this 3M VHB double-sided tape to attach these metal magnetic strips. Hopefully this works better than our brake metal does. We have 2 4-packs so we can spread them out on each window. These are adhesive on their own, but everything I read talked about you need to use this stuff because it's going to be super sticky and isn't going to come off. I did make sure I bought a couple of little hooks we're going to use, and indeed this is magnetic. So let's try to put these strips on the door and see how it goes. My plan is to put a strip there and then use our little hooks that we got in those grommets. Then I'm going to put a piece of the adhesive Velcro on the back that we used on the ceiling, and there, so that'll stay put. Might even put another strip right back there and use those little magnets that came with it to keep this up against the window. See if it works. Oh, I want this as high as I can get it. It'll give us a little room over here for something, hopefully. Hey, Beauty. Hey, baby. Are you gonna help me? I think that'll work right there. I think what I want to do is peel the adhesive off and attach this adhesive so we get double the stickiness. Yeah, it's fairly tacky, but I definitely feel like stickier would be better. So hopefully that's going to be super sticky because it's stuck to the adhesive and the tape. Let's cross our fingers and hope this really, really works. Let's see, we line that line up. All this stuff you can get on Amazon because obviously that's where I got it all. I really hope this works. I feel pretty good that it should, but that doesn't necessarily mean it will. We feel pretty good about the windows working too. I want to put a bar here and put those magnets. Let's put some shoes in it. Obviously we could put other things than shoes in there, but that's kind of what it's made for. So I'm trying to put some heavy ones and see, make sure it holds. It does not. Those are not strong enough. Dadgummit. They're supposed to be like 30-pound magnets, but they don't seem to be very sturdy. We have to get some heavier magnets. Blast it all. Okay, we fast forward to later in the evening, and I've gotten another order from Amazon. Gotta love one-day delivery. These, as you can see, are much more heavy duty than the ones I had. These are supposed to be like 175-pound weight. They definitely want to stick to things. So hopefully that means they're gonna hold our shoe bag up. These are quite a bit bigger. So here we go. Take 2. Put one out here. Oh yeah, okay. Our bag hanging. Oh yeah, that's much more sturdy. All right, let's try the shoes again. We're not planning on using this only for shoes, but it's nice that if it can hold some flip-flops or, oh shoot. Let's try getting that other bar up. So we're gonna put it about right there. So we're gonna go just a couple inches up here. These are very strong. Now we see if it'll hold all the shoes. Much better. So I just took a lot of pressure off of the top, so it held them all. Pretty cool. I think I want to put some of that Velcro like we used on the ceiling, attach it here and here, so then that will stay closed so it won't flop around while we're driving. Very cool. Well, I think we have found a fix to our little situation with our non-magnetic brake metal. I think these metal strips are going to be the ticket, and once I bought these much stronger magnets, my little storage bag stuck much better. I have 6 more of these, but I don't want to put them on here until we figured out what type of storage we're going to use here. If you've used magnetic baskets or storage in your camper van or RV, comment below and let me know which ones. I'd love to see what's worked for you. In our next update video, hopefully we'll have this completely finished and we'll be able to show you the really cool ways we figured out how to use it. Even though it didn't work out exactly as we hoped, I think this is going to work. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with any of your friends you think might enjoy what we're doing. Do us a huge favor and subscribe to the channel. Go back and watch all of our other videos. It really helps us out and means a lot. Most importantly, thanks for watching.